naman ang ano nyo. Dali lang.
Yeah, boy. So, what are you doing now?
Yeah!
What the
Huwag mo kasi
Already! No more! Masipin na ng gas! Ay, Eder, nasaw-saw ko lang.
Ate Sofia, tara na.
Huwag ka na, Eder.
Isasaw mo kaya? Oy, wag amin yan.
Grabe kayo. Mamaya, kasulino pa na to eh, no? Bilis.
Wait ha, one team.
Ilagay mo lang dyan yan. Sabog mo yan.
We're just one team. Don't forget. We'll help one another now.
Ay, loko.
Nababotang si Eder.
Oy, wag niyong tatagsigang kami, ha?
Why don't you get twigs?
Oh?
Twigs! Ang laki ng woods niyo. You get twigs. You little pieces of wood. That would start the fire better. Right?
Garcia?
Garcia. Renato, how many fires are we making here? Di ba just one?
Oy, Ren, dito.
Aray lang muna.
Just right here also.
Two?
Grabe din yun. Wait, wait.